When people think of American wine country, one destination almost always comes to mind. Napa Valley has earned an international reputation for its vineyards, luxury resorts, and world-class cuisine, becoming one of the most celebrated wine regions on Earth. Yet beyond its famous valleys lies another side of American wine culture that many travelers never experience. Across the United States, remarkable vineyard landscapes stretch through mountains, forests, rolling hills, river valleys, and lakeside countryside. These regions combine exceptional natural beauty with rich agricultural traditions, creating destinations where scenery, local food, and small-town charm are every bit as memorable as the vineyards themselves. Rather than competing with Napa, these regions offer something different. They provide quieter roads, distinctive local identities, and landscapes shaped by unique climates and generations of farming traditions. Every destination tells its own story through the countryside that surrounds it. Our journey begins in Oregon's Willamette Valley, a region where vineyards unfold beneath forested hills and distant mountain ranges. Gentle valleys, winding country roads, and fertile farmland create one of America's most beautiful rural landscapes. The atmosphere feels peaceful, refined, and deeply connected to nature. From above, endless rows of vineyards flow across rolling green hills while forests stretch toward the distant peaks of the Cascade Range. Morning mist drifts across fertile valleys as quiet country roads weave between farms, orchards, and charming rural communities. Every aerial view reveals an extraordinary sense of balance between agriculture and nature. The valley has become equally admired for its thriving farm-to-table culture. Local producers, artisan markets, seasonal ingredients, and carefully preserved farmland have created a destination where regional cuisine reflects the surrounding landscape. Visitors quickly discover that the countryside itself shapes every meal. Traveling through the Willamette Valley encourages a slower pace. Scenic drives, cycling routes, peaceful villages, and panoramic viewpoints invite travelers to spend time appreciating the region's gentle beauty rather than rushing from one destination to another. The journey becomes just as rewarding as the arrival. Our next destination takes us to the remarkable Finger Lakes region of New York. Carved by ancient glaciers, 11 long, narrow lakes create one of the most distinctive landscapes in the eastern United States. Vineyards climb the surrounding hills while waterfalls and forests complete the breathtaking scenery. From above, deep blue lakes stretch across the countryside beneath colorful forests and neatly arranged vineyards. Waterfalls tumble through dramatic gorges while picturesque villages overlook peaceful shorelines framed by gently rolling hills. Every season transforms the landscape into something entirely new. The Finger Lakes region is known not only for its vineyards but also for its remarkable natural beauty. State parks, hiking trails, lakeside villages, and scenic drives allow visitors to experience a destination where agriculture and outdoor adventure exist side by side. The landscape invites exploration in every direction. Our journey now heads south to the heart of Texas Hill Country, where limestone hills, winding rivers, and expansive rural landscapes reveal another unexpected chapter in America's wine story. This vast region combines dramatic scenery with welcoming small towns and a growing reputation for quality vineyards. From above, rolling hills extend toward distant horizons while vineyards blend naturally with oak woodlands, open grasslands, and colorful wildflower fields. Country roads wind gently through the landscape beneath endless blue skies, creating some of the most picturesque driving routes in the American South. The scenery feels wonderfully expansive. Beyond its vineyards, Texas Hill Country celebrates a rich blend of cultures, local traditions, and regional hospitality. Historic towns, artisan markets, live music, and traditional cuisine provide visitors with experiences that reflect the unique character of this remarkable part of the country. Every community adds its own personality to the journey. Our final destination in this stage of the journey brings us to Virginia wine country, where vineyards stretch across the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains. Historic estates, peaceful countryside, and gently rolling farmland create one of the eastern United States' most elegant rural landscapes. From above, rows of vineyards follow the contours of green hills while mountain ranges rise dramatically across the horizon. Tree-lined roads connect historic towns, farms, and beautiful country estates surrounded by forests that transform into spectacular colors each autumn. Every aerial view captures the timeless beauty of Virginia's countryside. Looking across the Willamette Valley, the Finger Lakes, Texas Hill Country, and Virginia Wine Country, one truth becomes beautifully clear. America's wine story extends far beyond its most famous destination. These remarkable landscapes reveal that some of the country's finest travel experiences are found not only in celebrated valleys, but across an extraordinary collection of regions where nature, tradition, and rural life continue to flourish together. As our journey continues across the United States, the diversity of America's wine landscapes becomes even more remarkable. Fertile valleys, freshwater coastlines, rolling farmland, and sunlit hills reveal destinations where local traditions and spectacular scenery create experiences that extend far beyond the vineyards themselves. Every region tells a different story shaped by its unique geography. Our next destination is Walla Walla, located in the rolling countryside of southeastern Washington. Surrounded by broad valleys, golden wheat fields, and distant mountain ranges, this peaceful region has quietly become one of America's most respected wine destinations while retaining its welcoming small-town atmosphere. From above, vineyards stretch across fertile valleys bordered by gently rolling farmland that seems to extend endlessly toward the horizon. Country roads weave between orchards, fields, and quiet rural communities while distant mountains provide a dramatic backdrop to the landscape. Every aerial view captures the openness of the American Northwest. Walla Walla is admired not only for its agricultural heritage but also for its relaxed pace of life. Tree-lined streets, independent cafes, local markets, and beautifully preserved historic buildings create an atmosphere where visitors naturally slow down and enjoy the surrounding countryside. The region feels both refined and refreshingly authentic. Our journey now turns toward the shores of the Great Lakes, arriving in Traverse City, Michigan. Surrounded by freshwater coastlines, rolling peninsulas, orchards, and vineyard-covered hills, the region offers a landscape unlike any other wine destination in the country. Water becomes a defining feature of every view. From above, brilliant blue bays curve around narrow peninsulas while vineyards and cherry orchards overlook the sparkling waters of Lake Michigan. Sandy beaches, forests, and picturesque harbors combine to create one of the most beautiful coastal landscapes in the American Midwest. Every season reveals a different side of the region. The combination of fertile farmland and freshwater scenery has helped shape a thriving local food culture. Seasonal produce, artisan farms, family-owned restaurants, and welcoming lakeside communities provide visitors with an experience that celebrates the region's agricultural heritage as much as its natural beauty. Our final destination brings us to Santa Ynez Valley, nestled among the rolling hills of California's Central Coast. Although California is forever linked with Napa Valley, this peaceful region offers a quieter countryside where vineyards blend seamlessly with oak woodlands, ranches, and charming rural towns. From above, golden hills roll gently toward distant mountains while vineyards follow the contours of fertile valleys beneath wide open skies. Oak trees scatter across the landscape as quiet country roads connect picturesque villages surrounded by some of California's most beautiful rural scenery. The atmosphere feels relaxed and wonderfully timeless. Santa Ynez Valley has become increasingly popular among travelers seeking a more peaceful alternative to California's busiest wine regions. Elegant countryside inns, scenic drives, local farmers markets, and welcoming communities encourage visitors to experience the landscape at a slower and more relaxed pace. One of the most remarkable qualities shared by these destinations is their strong connection to local agriculture. Vineyards exist alongside orchards, farms, forests, rivers, and mountain landscapes, creating rural communities where the surrounding environment continues to shape everyday life. Visitors experience a broader story than wine alone. Road trips have become one of the best ways to explore these hidden regions. Quiet highways wind through valleys, lakeshores, forests, and small towns where unexpected viewpoints appear around almost every bend. Every journey offers opportunities to discover landscapes that rarely appear in traditional travel itineraries. Increasingly, travelers are seeking authentic countryside experiences where local culture, natural beauty, and slower travel replace crowded tourist attractions. These regions demonstrate that America's rural landscapes hold extraordinary diversity waiting beyond its most famous destinations. Looking across these remarkable states, one conclusion becomes unmistakably clear. Napa Valley may have introduced the world to American wine tourism, but it represents only one chapter in a much larger story. Across mountains, lakes, forests, and fertile valleys, countless communities continue to preserve traditions that have shaped their landscapes for generations. As evening sunlight settles across vineyards, rolling hills, freshwater coastlines, and peaceful country roads, America's hidden wine regions quietly reveal their greatest strength. They invite travelers not simply to visit, but to slow down, appreciate the surrounding landscapes, and discover that some of the country's finest journeys begin well beyond the places everyone already knows.